So I'm not sure about how the governance of the Philippines is. What is it like? Is it like a are you like an overpowered democracy, or what is it like?
I I don't know. Let's just say that the president
So
has
who
done some
the president?
questionable
Yeah,
and
so we know that like on
questionable
an
decisions.
international scale, you do hear about it from time to time.
Yeah,
Especially his
yeah.
approach towards domestic terrorism. That was something that caught international news. When he went
All
all
of
out. Yeah.
my classmates and like all of the people that are in my age are very angry about our president.
Yeah, I
Because
understand that because the
there are
youth is
some
yeah the youth.
decisions that are
It's
not right.
ridiculous. So how long has he been in power?
But what also what saddened what?
How long has he been in power?
Uh, I think it's his last year next year.
So how long is a term?
So it's like 5 years.
5 years.
No?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and also what saddened me is that many people that are aged people are very fond of him. Like
Yeah.
respect him.
I understand. I understand that. Yeah. Because certain
They
people.
don't even they
Yeah.
don't know the story there.
Exactly. They appeal to the
Yeah,
older audience by pandering towards the culture of the Philippines and the heritage of the Philippines, all of
yeah,
that stuff. And the fact of the matter is that the Philippines has a larger, older population, if I'm not mistaken. That's why the vote always leans
yeah,
towards the older population, right?
yeah. And it's not. Let's just say that most people here are not educated about
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
the pandemic
Yeah,
and political things.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Like they
That's
only
why.
they only hear the propaganda that is portrayed to them.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
They just listens.
Exactly.
Listens to
Yeah,
things.
exactly. Like
Feed on shit.
yeah, exactly. If you concentrate what you're feeding to the public, their opinion can only be so much.
Yeah. It's like they're listening in one ear and then the information is like going in the
Exactly,
other ear. Like,
exactly. And they're
okay, okay.
only retaining what is insignificant in a way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also, you know what? The number one senator here in our country
Yeah.
is always, what do you call that? Converting all farmlands into
Yeah, yeah. Into
industrial,
industrial properties. I heard about that. I heard about that.
like, no, it's all over the social media, the
Yeah,
news
because
that many
yeah,
farmers are
yeah,
crying,
exactly,
because they
exactly.
lost their
100%.
farmlands. And then we have this like survey for the senators,
Pop, yeah.
and all of these Filipinos are voting for that senator. So she's on top right now.
I heard about that
Yeah,
because
that's what they
Fridays.
are relying to us right now.
Yeah, because
To the youth. They are relying to
Fridays
us.
for Future, the activist
Yeah.
group Fridays for Future, they had posted about this on their channel about this whole thing that the Philippines is turning into an industrialization, like a phase of industrialization in which they're moving more
Mhm.
land towards industrial development than ever before.
Yeah, there are a lot of those here. To convert our farmlands,
Yeah.
because we are one of the main source of rice
Yes, yes.
and corn in our country.
100%.
And we are
100%.
saying, hell no, do not touch our farmlands.
That is so. Of course, man. You can't touch
Yeah.
agricultural land like
Yeah,
that.
do
It's
not.
supposed to be protected, as a matter of fact.
Yeah. And we have abundant farmlands here, yet we are importing some products from Vietnam. I
Hundred
don't know
percent.
why.
100%. Because
We can just pay this.
I understand completely, man. Because
Yeah.
that form of corruption is what exactly pertains to
Yeah,
the loss
that
of
is.
GDP. What the country is capable of growing on its own, and which will empower the farmers of the country. As opposed to that, you guys are pandering towards what the international audience can give you.
Yeah, all of us saying here that the farmers in the Philippines should be the richest one
Hundred
because
percent, 100%.
they're producing many crops
They are the ones
every
that are keeping
and
the
now
nation
they're the most
alive.
poor. They're the poorest.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's
What the hell is
frustrating.
that
They're
about?
the poorest one
California,
because
bro.
The
I
farmers
don't
are the
know.
ones that are
It's
working the
fucking
hardest. The farmers are the
yeah.
ones that are working the longest hours in a day. And yet the farmers are the
They
ones
must be
that are
the
the
one that are
poorest.
the richest.
Exactly. Imagine that.
I watched this video from I don't know from the United States saying that a person does not earn $1 billion, they get $1 billion. You
Exactly.
understand?
That's exactly right.
They do not. They're not earning. Yeah,
Bro,
they get.
let's just look at the top
That's what
5.
they're doing here.
100%, bro, because let's just look at the top 5 billionaires of the world right now, right? All of these top 5 billionaires did not become billionaires by starting their companies. They became billionaires by investing after they've made millions from their companies. The fact that their billions came from investments, not from the revenues
Yeah.
that their companies generate, only goes to show that people don't earn billions. They become billionaires because they're given money.
They say, these billionaires, like, I am a billionaire. I made this. I made that. No, you did not made that. You did not made this. But
Yeah,
the workers, the
right.
employers,
Exactly.
yeah,
Exactly. my
employees
friend.
are making that,
Like, you
and
know,
they are given low wages.
100%. Like, if you look at Amazon right now, right?
Yeah.
People love Amazon. People are like, oh, I get my 1 day delivery with Amazon. But they don't understand that the workers in those Amazon fulfillment centers literally have a device on their hand that gives them up to 30 seconds to go and grab the next package, or they get a complaint filed against them, bro. No matter your age, no matter if you're
Yeah.
even if you want to go take a toilet break, you can't because you are on a timer.
You cannot.
It gives you a time limit to go grab the next package. And the fact of the matter is, these Amazon fulfillment centers are so huge. They're almost the size of 2 football fields. And people have to cover that distance in 30 seconds. Otherwise, you get penalized. Money is deducted from your
That's
paycheck.
fucked up. That is like modern world slavery, you know. I don't know if you have heard about it, but recently we have this super typhoon, you know.
Oh,
Super typhoon. Yeah, and there's a lot of people who are dying in some provinces, and they are not uh, getting some relief goods, some relief packs, because the president, he has an excuse that he went to his hometown, went to visit her dead parents, and haven't had time to give relief to these people. It's like, you also said, what do you want me to do? To go there to have a suicide? You know, what the fuck?
so what does he
Want to
try?
commit
What is he
suicide to
trying to
God?
say? That the people over there deserve to die?
Yeah, it's like the people can wait. It's just the people can wait. Yeah, no, those people cannot wait. Like, you know, there's a super typhoon and many people lost their houses.
Yeah.
No food.
Flooding. On
Dying.
top of that, the pandemic. Everyone has to
Flooding,
be
you know.
more careful.
Yeah, and he was like, you can wait.
Oh
That's
my god,
freaking-
that is just
I don't
ridiculous.
know.
Population
That is
control.
ridiculous from a government leader. He's supposed to be
That
the
made us
leader of the
angry
nation.
again.
Man, this
That's
is.
why we don't like him.
I
As much
understand
as-
that completely. So what do you think? So are there any term limits or something to the election? Like, can he run again the next election cycle?
I think he will run again.
So is
Because
this?
I think many people is liking him. I don't know.
So you know how the
But
United
you don't
States has like a limit of 2 terms. How you can run only 2 terms. So a total of 8 years.
2 terms, yeah.
So is the Philippines similar
I think-
to that?
Yeah, I think they only have 2 terms. Or, yeah. Because we haven't had a president that had a very long term because every term is different. That's why, yeah, we haven't had some presidents that are very long, except before the one with the martial law.
Yeah, exactly. So that's exactly right? Because the standards have been already set so low that people
Yeah.
believe that this is so much better for them, where it's actually not.
Yeah, and last election, there are a lot of senators and, positions that the many people who run there are very deserving. They have a very nice platform for the Philippines, and yet these people are not voted because they are not that famous. It's like,
That's bullshit, man. That's
because I can say that all some of the people or most of the voters here are more to the ones that are famous, like actors who run for senators. They are voted.
So they use their
Yeah, without-
they use their so-called fame to get votes.
Yeah. Mostly here in our country, the past actors are running to senators. They always go. They always have their votes.
And they always win.
They always win. Yeah. I don't know.
It's
It's like,
business,
oh, I
bro.
saw that in TV. I'm gonna vote him. Not even knowing his platforms or
Exactly.
his.
Or his policies
Yeah.
or whatever, doesn't matter. Just because I saw him on TV, I believe that he deserves to be in power.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
I saw
understand.
him is very good in acting. Yeah, and I will vote for him.
That's ridiculous.
I don't
Man.
know. He will be acting in the Senate. It's like,
No one's going to give him
Yeah.
a script for the Senate.
yeah. And then when he's in the Senate already, it's like he doesn't even have a good thing to do for the Philippines. Like,
My God,
it's
man.
just he's there. He's there sitting. Yeah.
He's enjoying.
Forgotten.
He's enjoying the fact that he was once famous.
Nothing.
It's ridiculous, man. These people, man. They, even this is the common thing with democracy everywhere. Like even if you look at
Yeah.
Trump, the only reason Donald Trump won the election was because he was on TV.
Yeah, he's famous. And I think many people there, I think it's the same in the Philippines that they saw this one on TV because our president is famous in TV.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
saw this on TV. I want to try something new. I'm gonna vote for him. It's not like that. It's like that.
yeah.
He's selling part of our land to the Chinese. It's
Oh
like-
my, what the hell? Really?
yeah, and we have a meme like that. We have a lot of memes before about
Can you
Philippine Republic of China like that.
My God, can you tell us more about this? What is happening?
Yeah, wait, I forgot the name. It's like we have this island that is isolated, and then one day the president just decided to like, okay, it's yours. Let's play. Let's just play like that. And the Chinese are now building. I don't know what's they're building that island.
So is this in the South China Sea?
Yeah, that's the South China Sea.
So the
Yeah.
whole agenda with China wanting more land in the South China Sea is so that they can build military
that's it.
occupations there. Because they want to lay
Yeah.
claim to all of the South China Sea. Yeah, they believe it's
Yeah, yeah.
their property.
That's the whole thing. Yeah, and all of they are saying that all of after the pandemic we are gonna be in China, part of China. Like they're telling about these things.
Oh
And
my!
it's bothering us.
What if he actually tries to do such a thing? What do you think will be the reaction from the Philippine people?
I don't know. I don't know. Some of the many in the social media are very angry at him because actually in Twitter many of our classmates or young people are changing their username to oust Duterte. It's
Yeah.
like impeach.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like it's nothing good that's happening.
So, but
Yeah.
as I remember, he's notorious for cracking down on people who are like protesting against him.
Yeah. That's one of the people are afraid of.
So what do you
It's
think?
like
Like
one wrong move and
if he decides to come out with a claim that he wants to merge with the People's Republic of China, do you think that the
Oh,
people
no.
will be enraged enough to try like a coup of some sort?
I think we're gonna, protest. I don't know.
It's basically like dictatorship.
Yeah. It's like, I don't know what's the Philippines coming up to. The president is doing right now.
Now, there has been this weird wave of right-wing politicians winning everywhere.
I don't know.
Even Brexit. Brexit became a thing because
Yeah,
of
but-
right-wing ideology. The whole Britain First movement
Yeah.
is the same thing. A right-wing person started it all.
I don't know what's happening right now. It's like, fucked up.
What do you so do you believe that there is anyone in the opposition in the Philippines who could stand up to Duterte in this next election? Do you think anyone stands a chance in their popularity?
I don't know because last election we have the president, is coming back, and then Duterte just came out like from nowhere, like just a mayor in the like a mayor, and then he ran for president, like, and he won. Like we did not expect that to happen, and I don't know if this next election, no, we should expect or